Hi everyone, thanks for purchasing my checkbook register template off of Etsy. I'm going to provide you a quick overview on how to use the actual template and get you started. And if you could leave any reviews, that'd be greatly appreciated. So first things first, you can go over here and click that little drop down to change the month if you want to do March, and then you can change it back to January if that's the case, which is the case for this specific register. If you wanted to go and enter information or delete out old information, you can delete this lines right here. Then we'll leave anything in the formula column for balances and for number. But if you do mess those up, you can always just copy in the information above. Go like this. Let's say like we accidentally deleted this information out. We can simply just copy it back in by going right here, right clicking and hitting copy. And then I can select these two and hit paste. And do the same thing here, copy, select these two, right click and hit paste. And these formulas automatically update again. So let's enter our information. So this one on 125-2027, maybe we went out and got some McDonald's. So put McDonald's here and I'll put that under meals and entertainment. And we spent $8, so I'm going to enter it within the withdrawals column right here. So negative 823. And then you can see automatically that the balance right here updated based off this transaction. Also, the balances here updated as well. The withdrawals increased, deposits stayed the same since there was no change in deposits. Let's add another line for maybe our paycheck for the last paycheck in January. Put paycheck here for the description. For the category, we'll put January paycheck. And then right here, since a paycheck is a deposit, we're going to put it in the deposit/credits line. And let's say we got 24.53.12 for our paycheck. And you can see that any positive amounts are going to show up as green. Any negative amounts are going to show up as red. It's important to enter the withdrawals as negative and the deposits as positive. So you can see that the balance is indeed positive. And now in Google Sheets, if you want to add an additional line, it's pretty simple. Just highlight the row above, and then we'll right click, hit copy, and then select the cell right below the last line in the date column right here. Make sure it's the date column. Right click and hit paste. And boom, your data automatically updates. And you can go in and put in the information that is proper for that line item. Let's say maybe we went and got some groceries from Trader Joe's. We'll enter Trader Joe's right here. We'll put this as groceries. And then negative $20.23 is what we spent there. And again, you can see everything automatically updates. You can do as many lines as you want with this. Just consistently make sure that you're copying and pasting the lines. In Excel, it's a little bit easier to do the copy paste of lines. I can go over here to my Excel version. And since this is an actual table, I can just start typing the data and it will automatically update. So if I do 1-26-2027 and hit enter, a whole new line comes in. The formulas for the number column and the balance column transfer over, so you don't have to worry about that. And then you just update whatever you want this to be. Let's enter that Trader Joe's entry again. We'll do groceries and then put it for negative 22.23. And as you can see, your whole spreadsheet updates. Again, this spreadsheet comes with an instructions tab with step-by-step guides on how to actually get started. But if you need any additional support, feel free to message me on my site.